Hello guys, this is Arkneil Gaming and we're going to do the first phase recharge event of Saint Seiya. So we have recharged 250 diamonds and spent 250 diamonds to claim 14 draw tokens. So token of Zodiac. And I already used the login, so this is supposed to be 15. It's okay guys. So we have 14 draw tokens and let's try to do a 10 times draw to see what we will get. I already drew 4 times because of the daily draws. Let's go. What is that 10 token draw? That's the unluckiest draw ever. So we are guaranteed the Saint Seiya skin of Pegasus Seiya Badang in the first 10 draws. So this is it. Wow, so many below average draws. So the best draws are 20 and above tokens. So let's see. I will try to tap these 40s to see if we get lucky on the single draws. I didn't like the 15 draw and the 10. Oh, nice! We got the duplicate. So I already have all the effects, so getting duplicates is better. And we already did the 15 draw, so we can get 50 of Aurora and Magic Dust. 50 Crystal of Aurora. Let's try the tap method again. Give me 40. What? 10 again? That balance it out. I just got a 30 and then they give me 10. So that's an average of 20 per draw. I think I don't like the RNG right now. Oh, we got 40. Nice. So the tap method worked. So let's see. Hope we can get more duplicates, especially the recall. See? They gave me 10 again after 40. That's like tricking your draws. Okay, so that's it guys. We already have 451 tokens. Not bad. We still have phase 2 and we still have daily draws. So thank you for watching. Good luck on your draws. I'm not sure what skin will I get, so stay tuned. And I think I might have to recharge more diamonds to participate in this event. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.